dear friends, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of traditional Kanchipuram sarees. Yes, Kanchipuram sarees which every female loves to wear. That is very traditional and authentic saree. So I thought I should show you that kind of beautiful collection. So let's move forward and see the first sample of our today's video. That is going to be traditional Kanchipuram saree that is made in a Ajmera fashion. First we are going to open the saree with a great color. You can see the whole color is a running color. Look at this saree. You can see very attractive color it is going to be, and it has a very heavy work of chuha zari. Yes, we have worked as a chuha zari over here. Here you will get this kind of flower concept and very attractive. I want to show you the lace border over here. This is going to be the lace border of this particular saree. Let me show you the overall look. This is the overall look of this saree. Isn't this pretty? So we have with a blouse piece, without blouse piece, all kind of sarees with lace border, without lace border. Now in this particular saree we have with lace border, just like here you can see we have done a chuha zari lace border over here. So very pretty and elegant thing you are getting here. So let's move forward and see the next sample of our today's video, and that is going to be this very elegant color, very bright color over here. And it saree also known as a Peshwai saree in Maharashtra and in South India. As I told you, traditional Kanchipuram saree. Designs are same but name are different. That is a speciality of our India, because in India people has a different kind of choices, different kind of name of the piece. That is different, that names are different but choices are same. That is our India, and this is a traditional Indian saree with a great vibrant color combination of green and magenta pink over here. Look at this piece. It is very soft, very shiny. It has a very traditional kind of motifs. You can see very intricate motif we have done over here. And same way I want to show you the lace border. Look at here. So this is the lace border, and we have done a heavy weaving work. This is full woven saree. I want to show you one woven thread. So I'm just going to open. I hope you can see this woven thread over here. Look, this is one thread. So this is a one thread I'm going to show you. This is one thread. So from the small thread we have made this kind of sarees, and we have made this intricate motifs just one by one. So this is very beautiful saree. I want to show you the blouse piece too. So contrast color blouse piece you are getting here. Look, this is the contrast color blouse piece. Isn't this pretty? Important thing I want to tell you, not single piece is available, only in a wholesale you can join us. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, and that is going to be this saree. I want to show you a very exact look of this saree. Look at here. Look at this pretty pattern, like very soft in touch and very light intricate motif you are getting here. Look, very light and very intricate motif with the one single thread of this saree, and very running, light and weight traditional Kanchipuram saree this you are getting with the running color. And we have all kind of simple saree, pattu saree, bridal saree, pattu bridal saree, which is very trending anytime, and you will get everything set wise. Which kind of set I want to show you? This is one catalog, and this is the set of 4 pieces. So you are getting these 4 colors in this traditional Kanchipuram saree. So not single piece, you have to purchase whole catalog, whole bunch. And see this next saree, and look at this very pretty collection I'm going to show you. You can see this vibrant look of this saree, like it has a very vibrant color combination and vibrant intricate motifs. Same way You can see this contrast border. Actually, it has a triple border concept. This one is the first border, that is very heavy and broad. This is the second border where we have done very intricate motif, and this is going to be the third border where we have done a different kind of work. And this is a pretty sari with a great quality. Yes friends, one thing that is compulsory, that you will get best quality in Ajmera fashion. We will never compromise in a quality, that is sure from us. Now you might have one question that, ma'am, you are showing everything, you are showing this much sarees, but why you are not mentioning price? What is the reason behind this? So main reason behind we are not mentioning price, that if we will mention the price, that will be problem for all of you to add your margin. Margin in the sense, we are manufacturer and then we are selling all of these things to a direct retailer. We are manufacturer. What happens in Surat, just this is 5 fingers, and manufacturer makes the things, then he gives that to the wholesale dealer gives that to the wholesaler gives that to the retailer gives that to the finally consumer. So what will happen, a direct retailer can join manufacturer, so two peoples will be cut off from there and their margin will be cut off, and one retailer get everything direct from a manufacturer, that is in a manufacturing rate. That is plus point of joining Ajmera fashion. That's why we are not mentioning price, so that you can add your according margin whatever you want to add. Let's move forward and see. Let's see another very intricate and pretty sari. Look at this sari. Now it is coming with the very heavy sari, also known as a bridal pattu, bridal Kanchipuram sari. And bridal pattu and bridal Kanchipuram sari has a minimal difference. There is not much difference. Now it's upon the customer that how they want to wear, how they want to give that name, but very small intricate motifs and differences, that only. So this is the sari of very pretty, and you can see very heavy and intricate motifs you are getting here. Isn't this pretty? I want to show you just overall look of this sari. Look, and again look, and same way we have this blouse piece. Till here it is a pallu pattern, a mundani, and this is a, you are getting blouse piece. This is the brocade blouse piece we are providing you here, and this was the just samples of traditional Kanchipuram sari. We have wide range of collection in silk saris, but it's not possible to show everything in just one video. That's why if you want to see more collection, or else you have an inquiry, or else you want to order something online, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen. Just go there, call there, or message there. Further information our online sales executive will provide you. So this was our video about traditional Kanchipuram saris. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So this is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.